In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Adobe Express. Whether you're designing a logo, a social media post, or a greeting card, adding curved text can give your creation that extra touch of flair. So, let's dive in, and I'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can achieve the perfect look for your project. First, you'll want to open Adobe Express. If you already have a project in mind, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, feel free to create a new design from scratch. Once you have your workspace ready, the next thing to do is to find the Text tool. Look at your Tools panel, typically located on the left-hand side, and select Add Your Text. This will allow you to introduce new text to your design, which you can then manipulate to your liking. Once you've added your text, the next step is to click on the text box itself. You'll notice this action activates the Text Properties panel, usually situated on the right side of the screen. This panel is your powerhouse for text customization, giving you all the control you need over how your text is presented. Now, within the text layout options, you're going to look for terms such as arch, bow, circle, or curved alignment. These options are key to transforming your straight-line text into a beautifully curved creation. Upon locating these options, choose the curve style that best meets your design needs. You might want a simple arch for a subtle effect, or maybe a full circle for something more dynamic. It's important to select a style that complements your overall vision and the specific message you're trying to convey. With your curve style selected, you'll want to take a moment to tweak a few details. Adjusting characteristics like size, color, and spacing can really make a difference in how your curved text integrates into your design. Don't forget about positioning. Shifting your text around the canvas can help find that perfect spot where everything comes together seamlessly. Spend a bit of time experimenting here to ensure your curved text not only stands out, but also enhances the rest of your design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, your final task is to export or download your design. Adobe Express makes this last step straightforward, allowing you to save your work in various formats depending on your needs, whether it's for digital sharing or print. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you're able to bring your text to life in Adobe Express. Curving text can make your projects more engaging and visually appealing, helping your designs stand out. Thanks for following along, and I hope you feel empowered to create even more amazing designs with this technique.